Hello everyone, I'm Benjamin from Happie. Okay, and today I'll be so happy and excited, okay, because we are actually going to spend the entire morning on the installation tour. Okay, and this time we will not be alone, okay, because we have our experts all the way from Korea. So because they have actually more than 20 years of experience, okay, this is actually Mr. Nam over here, Mr. Jong, Mr. Wee over here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so we are really so fortunate and blessed, okay, because we have all these experts all the way from Korea. Okay, we actually appreciate their time and effort coming down all the way to Singapore and also coming on site with us, okay, to actually go on job to show us how the installations are actually done, okay, properly and the right way as well, so that we can actually give customers the best experience and also the best service, okay, right here at Happie. Okay, so are you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready, Stefan?
Ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go!
go!
Okay, so we have actually arrived at the first unit of installation of the day. So actually a new residential condominium, okay, that actually the owner is about to move in soon. So you can see all the carpentry works is done. Okay, but this is one thing special about this unit is that the owner actually made a special carpentry, okay, to actually put the dispenser over here. Okay, so this is like a customized carpentry, okay, so that they do not need to walk all the way to the kitchen inside to take the water. Okay, and I think this is a very good idea also for those of you who are actually renovating your place, okay, or actually planning with your interior designer. I think this is something that we can all learn. After about 30 minutes of installation, we are done. Okay, so look at it, it's so perfect, fitting into this customized shelf right outside the kitchen, okay, which is very close to the living room and the dining area, so that when they want the water to drink, okay, they don't have to go into the kitchen anymore. Okay, so how the installation is done is actually very simple. That takes us less than 30 minutes. Okay, first, the owner actually gotten their contractor to actually pull a water point right from the kitchen, okay, which is underneath the basin, all the way already, okay, to this shelf outside. Okay, so it will be easier to connect the water and the pressure will also be higher. Okay, secondly, what we actually did on our end was to actually connect the outlet point, okay, all the way. Okay, so actually the whole process is actually quite simple, okay, and most importantly, it's very neat. As you can see, all the tubings is actually we actually mount it, okay, very neatly done, okay, in the kitchen cabinet underneath, so that every of the tubing will be concealed, okay, so that you will not be able to see any tubing running on the countertop as well. Okay, so once again, we are done with our job. Okay, I just want to say thank you to all the experts and also our installation team, Stefan. Okay, bye-bye. Yes. 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 Okay, we are done with our first job. Let's go on to the second installation. Okay, so hi everybody. Now we are actually at the second installation of this morning. Okay, and we are here at Park Esta. Okay, a new condominium that is just TOP. And I'm so very sure that actually a lot of neighbors out here have already ordered from us. Okay, so this particular homeowner today, right now, okay, is the lucky one. Okay, because he will get to actually meet all our experts, okay, from the manufacturer itself. Already, guys? Yeah. Okay, come. 1, 2, 3, let's go! We have just arrived at the owner's unit. Okay, this is actually a 4-bedder. Okay, and you can see for this 4-bedder layout, they actually have a wet kitchen inside as well as a dry kitchen. Okay, but the owner prefers to put it in the wet kitchen right beside the basin. Okay, and they have actually catered a special electrical point, okay, to be underneath the cabinet, as they want to hide the electrical plug below. Okay, so just nice, okay, because we have our professional team over here with us. Okay, so let's see how are they going to advise us how this special installation is going to take place. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to action. So what we actually do was we will drill a small little hole, okay, on the countertop itself. This is actually a solid surface. Okay, then the owner actually catered a electrical plug. Okay, as you can see here, there's an electrical plug over here. Okay, because I think that they didn't want to put the electrical plug on top because it is actually a glass. Okay, so actually it will look neater and nicer as well. Ta-da! Okay, we are done. Okay, in less than 30 minutes. Okay, the job is actually done very neatly. As you can see on the above the countertop, there is no wires or wiring dangling around. Okay, just this slim and sleek dispenser right beside the basin. Okay, so with this, in future, they do not need to boil water anymore. okay, and they don't have to use this anymore as well, okay. So this is something very convenient, okay, which actually I would really urge all of you to share with all of your friends and family members to get our water purifier, okay. So it will actually bring a lot of convenience and health to your family out there. Okay, so this is the end of our morning installation tour, okay, together with our experts all the way from Korea. I'm really so thankful, okay, because we really learned a lot from them. Okay, there's a lot of insights, and also they gave us a lot of tips so that our installation, okay, will be done in a more proper and better way, as well as, okay, it will actually help the dispenser, okay, to actually last longer, because with its proper condition and installation methods, it can be more durable as well. Okay, so first we'd like to thank Stefan, okay, for doing a good job, okay, and also Mr. Nam once again. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Nam.
Thank you very much.
Okay, he's actually the director from the global division team. Okay, and also Mr. Jong. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Jong. So Mr. Jong is actually the general manager, okay, of the quality check team. And lastly, Mr. Wee. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, Mr. Wee is actually from assistant manager. He's actually from the research and development team, okay, in the manufacturer. Okay, so we are really so thankful once again, okay, to have all of them coming and even taking their time, okay, to come down house to house with us, okay, just to make sure that all of us are going to do a good job. And also, I think there's one common thing. We just want to make sure, okay, that we actually improve ourselves, and also to make sure that we give the customers a best service experience when they engage with us. Okay, so once again, thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.